India celebrates Republic Day annually on 26 January, and this year the country will celebrate its 72nd Republic Day to mark the day India became a sovereign republic. While India gained independence from the British in 1947, but it wasn't until 26 January 1950 that the Indian Constitution came into effect and India became a sovereign state, declaring it a republic. This day is celebrated with much pomp and fervor all over India, and in Delhi's capital Delhi, India's capital Delhi parades, tableaux, spectacular displays by the defense forces are showcased at Rajpath. The Indian flag is also hoisted all over the country. The Indian Constitution was drafted by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, who is known as architect of the Indian Constitution. 26 January was chosen as the day to announce India become a republic, as in 1929 on the same day the Indian National Congress denounced colonial rule and proclaimed Purna Swaraj, complete freedom from the British. And while the constitution came into force in 1950 under a democratic government system, it was adopted by the Indian Constituent Assembly on 26 November 1949. This completed the country's transition into becoming a sovereign republic. India celebrates Republic Day to commemorate the day the Government of Indian Act 1935, set by the British Raj, was replaced by the Indian Constitution as the governing document of India. Other than flag hoisting, reciting the national anthem, and organizing new shows and events on this day, so let we enjoy the 72nd Republic Day in our school, that is KV number 1 Ishapur, by the students of class 3C. Let we celebrate.
warm good morning to one and all. Today I, Vidushi Panigrai, a student of class 3C, is going to say a few lines about Republic Day. January 26 is celebrated in India since 1950 to honor the Constitution of the nation. This year we are celebrating the 72nd Republic Day. On 26 January 1950, we celebrated our first Republic Day with pomp and pride. But this year is a bit different. We are celebrating the 72nd Republic Day by obeying the COVID-19 guidelines. But the pride to celebrating the 72nd Republic Day is not less than the first Republic Day. A happy Republic Day to all. Jai Hind!
Good morning, teachers. My name is Samar Yadav, class 3C, roll number 42. Today, Republic Day. Today, all of us are here to celebrate the 72nd Republic Day of our country on 26 January 1950. Constitution of India came into force. This day reminds us how the great freedom fighter of our country sacrificed their life to get us the Swaraj that we can live in a democratic country. Thank you.
आदरणीय गुरुजनों एवं मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, मेरा नाम हितिका सिंह है। मैं कक्षा 3 की छात्रा हूँ। आज मैं आप लोगों के सामने गणतंत्र दिवस पर भाषण देने जा रही हूँ। गणतंत्र दिवस भारत का एक राष्ट्रीय पर्व है जो प्रति वर्ष 26 जनवरी को मनाया जाता है। सन 1930 में इस दिन भारत को पूर्ण स्वराज घोषित किया गया। 26 जनवरी को भारत का संविधान लागू किया गया। 26 जनवरी को गणतंत्र दिवस समारोह पर भारत के राष्ट्रपति द्वारा भारतीय राष्ट्रीय ध्वज को फहराया जाता है और खड़े होकर राष्ट्रगान गाया जाता है। फिर राष्ट्र ध्वज तिरंगा को सलामी दी जाती है। हमें गर्व है कि हम इस भारत भूमि पर जन्मे हैं। धन्यवाद।
Good morning, respected principal sir, madam, sir, and my all dear friends. Today we are here together to celebrate our 72nd Republic Day. Since 1950, this day is celebrating with joy and happiness. Before starting the celebration, our chief guest hoists the national flag for the nation, and then we all say national anthem which symbol of unity and peace in India. Thank you.
Good afternoon. I am Vivan Majumdar from class 3C. Today we are celebrating Republic Day. In this prestigious occasion, I will take a pledge to save children, save women, and change the future of India. Jai Hind! Thank you. Good morning, respected teachers and all my dear friends. I am Anvita Prasad, class 3C. I wish you a very happy Republic Day. Today we celebrate Republic Day. Every year on 26th January we celebrate Republic Day, and it is a national festival of India. Indian Constitution came into force on 26th January 1950. So we celebrate this day as Republic Day. The Constitution is the supreme law of India. Thank you.
Today is Republic Day. We celebrate this day every year on 26th January. It is the day on which Constitution of India came into effect in 1950.
बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद।
नन्हा मुन्ना राही हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद। रास्ते पे चलूंगा न डर डर के, चाहे मुझे जीना पड़े मर मर के, रखूंगा ऊंचा तिरंगा भर दम, आगे ही आगे बढ़ाऊंगा कदम, दाने बाएं हम। नन्हा मुन्ना राही हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद। धूप में पसीना में बहाऊंगा जहाँ, हरी हरी खेत लहराएंगी वहाँ, रखूंगा ऊंचा तिरंगा भर दम, आगे ही आगे बढ़ाऊंगा कदम, दाहिने बाएं हम। नन्हा मुन्ना राही हूँ, देश का सिपाही हूँ, बोलो मेरे संग जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद।
सुप्रभात, मेरा नाम है सृष्टि ठाकुर। आज मैं 5 वाक्य गणतंत्र दिवस के बारे में बताने जा रही हूँ। प्रत्येक वर्ष 26 जनवरी के दिन भारत का गणतंत्र दिवस मनाया जाता है। 26 जनवरी 1950 को भारत का संविधान पूर्ण रूप से लागू हो गया था। भारत का संविधान विश्व का सबसे बड़ा लिखित संविधान है। इस दिन भारत देश की गणराज्य का दर्जा प्राप्त हुआ। इस दिन दिल्ली में भारतीय स्थल सेना, वायुसेना और नौसेना द्वारा पैरेड निकाली जाती है। धन्यवाद।